In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect MIDI to Studio One. Now, the first thing you have to do is plug the hardware into your computer via USB or whatever you want to use. Now, when you've done this, you want to open up Studio One and you want to go to the top here where it says Studio One or Studio Pro, whatever you have. And then from here, you want to go to the bottom where it says Options. Now, in here, you want to click on External Devices, which is the fourth tab up top. And then you want to click on the Add button at the bottom left. From here, you want to select New Keyboard up top, and of course you can select your model and then the manufacturer as well over here. You could also give it a name if you want to. I'm going to name this one MIDI, and then down here where it says Receive From, you want to go and check your port. So in my case, I haven't connected mine, but of course if I did, I would be able to click on that and then select the port where I actually plugged it on my computer, and via selecting that, I can then hit the OK button, and I'll be able to connect my MIDI that way, okay? So you can of course select where you want to send it to as well. And then you have some other options here as well. When you're done, hit the OK button, and that's really all you have to do. You've successfully connected your MIDI to Studio One or Studio Pro. So that's it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.